OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Agent, an AI that can plan meals, book meetings, and even order cupcakes for you. Is this the future of productivity? Stick around to find out. Hey tech enthusiasts, OpenAI's latest game changer, ChatGPT Agent, is here to revolutionize how we work and live. This AI can handle tasks on its own, and we've got all the exciting details. Let's dive in. What is ChatGPT Agent, you ask? ChatGPT Agent is OpenAI's next big leap in AI. Unlike a regular chatbot, this tool acts like a virtual assistant that can independently tackle tasks. Imagine asking it to plan a Japanese breakfast for 4 or brief me on upcoming client meetings based on recent news. It can browse websites, launch apps, and get things done all on its own. From meal planning to creating slide decks, ChatGPT Agent is designed to save you time and effort. One of the coolest features is the replay mode, which lets you see exactly how the AI completed your task. Perfect for understanding its decision-making process. Early users have mixed feedback. It's a bit slow sometimes, like taking an hour to order cupcakes, as OpenAI's research lead Isa Fulford noted. But she still said it saved her time because she didn't have to do it herself. Whether it's analyzing your calendar or shopping for ingredients, this AI handles multi-step tasks like a pro. Right now, ChatGPT Agent is available in agent mode for ChatGPT Pro, Plus, and Team subscribers. OpenAI plans to roll it out to enterprise and education users later this summer. AI agents like this are taking the tech world by storm, with companies like Klarna experimenting with them, though some businesses are sticking with human operators due to quality concerns. As AI evolves, ChatGPT Agent could reshape how we work and boost productivity in ways we're just starting to imagine. ChatGPT Agent is pushing AI to new heights, making it easier to tackle everyday tasks with a few simple prompts. It's not perfect yet, but it is a glimpse into a smarter, more efficient future. Are you ready to let AI handle your to-do list? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell for more AI and tech updates.